You wake up to a strange scratching at your window. You sit up and look blankly at your wall, which is in perfect order. You lean slightly to one side and tilt your head to hear the sound better. You realize it's just the tree leaves scratching against your window. After all, it is a windy night. You lay back down. After 5 minutes, a tapping noise wakens you once again. You repeat what you did. You lean over and tilt your head. It's definitely a tapping. For a minute you become paranoid, but you realize that after all, it is winter, so a majority of foliage has died and fallen off. It's just a bare branch hitting your window. You're just about to lay back down when you hear a hissing. Of course, it's just the wind blowing through the dead leaves. And the hissing is the leaves rustling among one another. You laugh to yourself and lay back down. But then, you jump straight out of bed in a cold sweat. You don't have a tree outside your window.